Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe, and as you can see, Tammy's not here with me. She was unable to make this trip. However, I'm not alone. I am camping with some friends. We're just going to dive right into Johnathan Dickinson Park and some of the things you can do outside the park. Let's go check it out. I have reserved site number 80. Beautiful back-end site with full hookup, 30 and 50 amp electric, water hookup, and even sewer hookup. It is a nice big rig friendly campsite. It has a picnic table, a fire ring, a clothesline to hang up wet clothes, and a standalone charcoal grill. And here's the sites our friends have reserved. This is John and Diana's site, and Bonnie and Matt's site, and Kevin and Rhonda's site. The park has a nice education center with a gift shop, and it's perfect for picking up some information about the park. The park even has a boat ramp for your convenience. And a quick look around the day use area. Here you have a community fire pit along with some picnic tables and some charcoal grills. You will find plenty of restrooms throughout the day use area. The park even has several group shelters that you can reserve. This is just one of many. The park even offers a concession stand where you can do your rentals and purchase souvenirs. And here you can get some adult beverages and a bite to eat. This is where you're going to get your rentals of your kayaks, canoes, motorboats, and even get your guided tours. And the tours are by motorboat, and also you can do a guided tour with horseback riding. There is also a really nice little boardwalk that you can also use as a fishing pier. This was not expected. You have a high-speed train that runs right through the park. Miles an hour, folks. And here's another activity. They have off-road mountain bike trails, and there's 4 different levels of difficulty. And if you want to do just the typical bike cruise, you can use the state park's roads. This park is also the host of Hope Mountain. It is the highest point in southern Florida. Just look at that nasty sky, and yes, we got dumped on a few times while we were here. There's even some old military remnants of World War II here. The gopher turtle is the dominant species in this park. And just 6 miles away, outside the park, you have Blowing Rock Preserve, a place well worth checking out.
Holy cow.
I know. Somebody dug it up. There's holes in it, so that was seagulls. Yeah, I don't see any water splashing up, so not looking too promising, is it?
That's just stupid right there out in the water all by yourself.
Yeah. So while visiting the town of Juniper, we decided to head out for some lunch, and we stopped at Dune Dog Cafe. A very popular spot by the locals and the tourists. They seem to have some really nice food items to choose from, and some cold beer for those hot days. Alright, back to the park. It's time to do the campground tour and show you a few of the campsites so you know what to expect when you come here. Johnathan Dickinson State Park is a perfect place to stop if you're on your way to the Keys or on your way out of the Keys. We sure like this park and we think you would too. You should consider subscribing to our channel. You never know. We just may be guilty of adding to your bucket list. And as always, thanks for watching. Two for the road.